Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do pose landmark detection using MediaPipe in NextJS. Now you don't have to use NextJS, you can use any web framework which you feel like. So yeah, let's get started. So here I have one image, and if I click on identify, here you can see it was able to identify this pose landmark for this particular picture. If I will also show it for another picture as well. So I think I don't have one picture. Okay, let's just get it from the documentation. So I'll just go to the example app. I'll just copy this image link. I'll paste it over here, and I'll quickly refresh this. So here for this image, if I click on identify, here you can see it was able to identify for this lady, but for this particular person it was not able to identify. I don't know why, maybe some issue with the pose detection, but you know it works for 95% of the time pretty well. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first, inside my Next.js project I have installed MediaPipe task vision dependency. Just do npm install, and once this is done, go to page.tsx, and here I have used this use client. Again, this is not related to MediaPipe, this is Next.js thing, because everything in Next.js is statically rendered or server side rendered, but I want this page to be client side rendered, that's why I'm using this. Then I have imported file set resolver, drawing utils, and pose landmarker, and from React I'm using use effect and use ref. Then I have created one variable for pose landmarker, and I have created two variables, one for image ref and one for canvas ref. And inside use effect I'm calling this init method, and if you see inside this init method we are just passing this whatever is the latest version of our task vision. Typically you should avoid using @latest. It's better to use something like this particular version. So you can use something like this. Let me just check if it's working or not. I will quickly refresh, click on OK, it's working. So typically it's good idea to add this version number. And here this model asset path I have just got it from the documentation itself. Then for running mode I have kept it as image, so I'm just initializing our pose landmarker. And if you see my UI, I have just taken one column, and here I have taken one a div with position of relative. Here I am using the img tag instead of next image component. The problem is that the next image component is not working with MediaPipe. I'm not sure what the issue is, that's why I had to fall back to the img tag from HTML itself, and I'm just passing src, initializing our ref, so normal stuff. And here I have just one canvas which is on top of the img tag, so that's why I'm using position absolute, left top 0, and I have assigned the same width and height as that of the img tag. And on button click I'm just checking out if our image ref has been initialized and our pose landmarker has been not equal to null. Then I'm just calling the detect method from it, passing our image. Once we get the result, I'm just checking pose landmarker result dot landmarks dot length greater than 0, and if canvas ref and canvas ref dot current is also initialized, then I'm getting the canvas context, 2D context. Then I'm initializing our drawing utils. Then we are just looping over the pose landmarker result dot landmarks, and then we are calling drawing utils dot draw landmarks, and we pass the landmark. You can pass this radius, like I have just copy pasted this code from the documentation, and here we are just drawing the connector, passing the landmark as well as the pose connections. And here you can see this is our identifier button. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.